And here we go on Raven. Transformation from Cobra. Here we go.
It's time for Raven here in Valgard at Paultons Park.
Here we go. And there's Dragon to our left. Beautiful looking coaster. Look, closed down at the moment, maybe testing. Here we go. The track looks lovely on this. Oh, look at that. Look how close the track is. Wow. Woohoo!
And a look at the next construction site.
Oh, laterals.
Oh. To me, to you.
Look at that. Oh, look at the track. It looks so good.
And it's time for a helix.
Birdhouse, birdhouse, birdhouse.
Whoa. And I'm down some air time.
Oh, my favourite bit. Whoa, air time. Oh.
Oh, that was cool.
I actually got some air time there.
Raven. See you later, Handbrakes.
Yeah, as good as I remember it being. Yeah, very good. There's plenty of animatronics in the queue line as well. Really good ride.
Accompanied by responsible adult. The accompanying adult must sit beside the child at all times.
That's very
Adults riding with a smaller child may wish to choose a rear seat, which is more